All right, last part. So again, let's pretend that this bottom part didn't exist. If this were my circle, what would my center be? Go ahead and write that out. The center would be located, it looks like -2, +1, but you know that you switch the signs. So it is +2, -1. So I'm going to go ahead and graph that. Okay. Then I'll go ahead and uncover the bottom part. And I definitely do not want to move 49 along the x-axis. That sounds terrible. So what can I do to 49? It's a perfect square, so I can square root this and get 7. So I'm going to move 7 units along the x-axis. So this part should not have changed from what we've been doing before. It should be almost identical. So how many are we going to move along the y? So I don't want to even move 9. Let's square root that and only make me move 3. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then again, go ahead and connect that. Okay, so now our information. Vertices. Where exactly is it stretching the most? Or which one of these numbers is bigger? The 49 obviously is bigger, and that's on the x. So go to the 2 points on the x-axis. You have to tell me exactly where these are located. So this point here is at -5, -1. This point over here is at 9, -1. And then the co-vertices are the other 2 points. So I already wrote out my center. I already wrote out the 2 points on the x-axis, so I need to write these two. So this point is at 2, 2. And this point is at 2, -4. Cool. And the last part is the focus. So this hopefully is starting to feel easier. Take these two numbers, subtract them from each other. So 49 minus 9 equals c squared. So what is 49 minus 9? It's 40, which you can't see. So I'll do that over here. Steal this little too. How do you get rid of the square? You square root, right? And then how can you break down the square root of 40? So you can do, let's see, square root of 40 equals c, and you can do square root of 4, square root of 10. Right, because 10 times 4 is 40. And then how would you rewrite this? Square root of 4 is 2. Can't break down the square root of 10, so that stays square root of 10. And then how do we make it a foci and not just a focus? You should add plus or minus. Okay, so let's go down to the next one. So try these. So actually what I want to do is I want you to take a second and try these on your own. It's going to take me a second to like get my life together anyways and graph them. So let's graph them together. And then when you're ready, you can go ahead and look up at the screen and I should have it all set for you. Okay. have the first one done, and then I'll work on the second one for you. Okay, I have the second one all done now as well. So you can kind of go ahead and scope those out. So go ahead and check your answers there. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and give you like 20 more seconds on this. If you need it again, you can, I guess, just stop the video. It should pause here. And then we're going to go ahead and do the bottom part.